Many students rely on rereading their notes or textbooks, believing it will help them remember information better. However, research shows that simply rereading material doesn't lead to deep understanding or long-term retention. It creates a false sense of familiarity, making you think you know the content when, in reality, you might struggle to recall it later. This scene sets the stage for exploring more effective study methods, highlighting the limitations of passive learning and the need for active engagement with the material. When you reread, your brain recognizes the information, but recognition is not the same as recall. You might feel confident during study sessions, but when faced with an exam or real-life application, the information doesn't come as easily. This scene emphasizes the difference between recognition and recall, encouraging viewers to question their current study habits and seek methods that truly enhance memory and understanding. Active recall is a powerful learning technique that transforms how you study. Instead of passively reviewing material, you actively test your memory by trying to recall information without looking at your notes. This method forces your brain to retrieve knowledge, strengthening neural connections and improving retention. In this scene, we introduce active recall as the solution to the problems caused by passive learning, setting up the practical steps to follow. The first step in active recall is to select a topic you want to study. Spend 2 to 3 minutes reviewing the material, just enough to refresh your memory. Don't aim for perfection, just get a general sense of the content. This brief review prepares your mind for the recall process, making it easier to identify gaps in your understanding later. After your initial review, close your book or notes. This step is crucial because it prevents you from relying on visual cues or simply recognizing information. By removing the source, you challenge your brain to retrieve what you've learned, which is the essence of active recall. This scene reinforces the importance of creating a testing environment for your memory. Now ask yourself, what did I just learn? Try to recall as much information as possible without looking at your notes. This self-questioning process is at the heart of active recall. It helps you identify what you truly understand and what needs more attention. The more you practice, the better your memory and comprehension will become. After recalling information mentally, write down everything you remember. This step solidifies your learning by engaging multiple senses, thinking and writing. It also provides a record you can review later to track your progress and see which areas need improvement. Writing helps clarify your thoughts and makes your study sessions more productive. Active recall is most effective when repeated regularly. After each session, review your written notes and identify areas where your recall was weak. Go back to the material, fill in the gaps, and repeat the process. Over time, you'll notice significant improvements in your memory and understanding. Consistency is key to mastering this technique. Many students confuse sparse learning, where you only recognize bits and pieces, with actual learning, which involves deep recall and understanding. Active recall bridges this gap by forcing you to retrieve information actively, ensuring that your knowledge is robust and reliable. This scene contrasts the two approaches, highlighting why active recall leads to better results. Become a top student. It's not about studying harder but smarter. Active recall is a smart study hack that maximizes your learning efficiency. By focusing on memory retrieval and self-testing, you spend less time rereading and more time truly mastering the material. This scene encourages viewers to adopt smarter strategies for academic success. It's time to break free from the habit of endless rereading. By switching to active recall, you'll notice that your study sessions become more engaging and effective. You'll spend less time feeling stuck and more time making real progress. This scene motivates viewers to make the change and experience the benefits firsthand. There are many powerful study hacks, but active recall stands out as one of the most effective. By following this method, you tap into proven strategies that boost memory, understanding, and performance. This scene introduces viewers to the broader world of study hacks, encouraging them to explore and experiment with different techniques. Imagine learning from a wise sensei who guides you through the best study practices. Active recall is like having a mentor that constantly challenges you to recall and apply knowledge. This scene uses the metaphor of a sensei to inspire viewers to adopt disciplined and effective study habits, leading to academic excellence. The real power of active recall comes from consistent practice. Make it a routine part of your study sessions, and you'll see lasting improvements in your memory and grades. This scene emphasizes the importance of regularity, encouraging viewers to stick with the method and reap the rewards over time. Sum up, active recall is a game-changing study technique that helps you learn smarter, not harder. By actively retrieving information, you build stronger memories and deeper understanding. Start with small steps, practice consistently, and watch your academic performance soar. The journey to becoming a top student begins with changing how you study, embrace active recall, and unlock your full potential.